Hi, welcome to Jack TV. I'd like to thank you for watching me. To all the viewers out there that's watching me, I'd like to thank you. What I'm about to share with you, the story I'm about to share with you, it's been a while. But now I say, man, I need to, this thing that happened through my life, it was just not happen to me, just me to be, I'm gonna try to put it to word, you know, because the image, the view, the thing that I see, Jesus called me, you know, because I've been praying most of the time to say, Jesus, you know, make me see things more clearly, the thing that's going on around the world, make me understand things more clearly, what's going on. And I get the call. I said, Jesus, use me, put me to work. And my prayer was answered. But guys, it wasn't easy for me. Because if you're watching most of my video, the background that I tell you where I'm coming from, you know, and it was not a background where I came from a Christian background. It was not a Christian background. But when I become a Christian, you know, I mean, the fight was not easy for me. And it's still not. I'm still, you know, it's still not. Every day I have to pray. I have to, you know, all the time, you know, say sometimes when I see myself in so many different places that, you know, things are tough. I mean, Jesus, you know, keep me strong, protect me. And if for those who don't know me, I'm from Haiti. Haiti Marmelade. A small town, if you Google it, Haiti Marmelade. I will put it on the right corner, you can see where I'm coming from. It's a small town. A small town, this is where the president comes from. President Rene Preval. That's where he's coming from. You should check their hometown. But in fact, my father passed away. Since he passed away, before he passed away, he became a Christian. But he was doing a movement in Haiti, in Marmelade. You know, his hometown, it was, you know, it was like helping kids, try to get those kids to get some education, put a church there, at the same place the church is, you know, say that's the same place. He created a school for those children. Since I'm here, I'm in the USA. I've been in the USA since 1993. To be honest with you, since 1993, I never go to my country. But I've been praying for them. Why I cannot go? Guess what it is? Because I don't have paper to go there. I'm still an illegal immigrant. You know, I've been walking to when I travel from Haiti since 1993. From that time, you know, see where there was chaos in Haiti, the political issue that was going on in Haiti, where Aristide was in power, and at that period of time, I traveled there to come to the USA because of the political issue that was going on. You know, I applied for asylum, all that type of thing, you know, see, but I went in front of the story shut. They don't believe my story. You know? Since that time, I've been going back, and they want me to go back to my country. They put me in illegal, a voluntary deportation. I say, I don't want to go there because of the image, the way the thing was going on. But I want to be boring you with that story. But the thing that I'm really with is when Jesus calling me. Jesus calling me to put me to work, to make things a better place, to say, Jesus, put me to work, put me in mission so I can change things around, so I can make things a better place. Because I know, hey man, there's so many things that's going on around the world. But at that time, I said, Jesus put me to work for, I want to see my country. I'm at Haiti. But when I get called, it was not just for Haiti. Because when I see myself so many places. Even Africa, in my dream. Like I'm telling those people, because the people that wood, the wood of wood, where I came from. I'm telling you, this is not the thing. They have to get out of it. Get Jesus to their life. Since my father was, doing that work in Haiti, but he's doing it in Marmelade, Haiti. But when I get through that, when I get to this vision, when I see myself in Haiti, I don't see myself just in Marmelade. I see myself all over Haiti to work with Haiti, to do something better for those children. Because he started the work in Marmelade on his own town to educate those children, not only educate them, to give them also the word of Jesus Christ. Because he see that the place that he was, that was not the right place. Because he was doing voodoo at that period of time. He was a voodoo priest. He gave up his life to Jesus. He gave his life to Jesus before he passed away. He passed away by cancer. Cancer, how you call it? Cancer. He passed away by cancer. But at that time, I'm like, man, what can I do? But the work don't stop there. The family have to take it. We have to keep on doing. I say, Jesus, what can I do? The thing that are going through my mind. I don't have a TV station. I don't have a big time TV station like CNN or Fox or any of those big TV stations out there in order for me to make my word pass. This is the only way I can do it. On YouTube, I say, hey, this is the world watching it. Whoever click on this video, they could forward it to friend, the video could be around the world. My word, the thing that I'm saying, the real thing, the thing that I'm saying could pass to them. But guys, since that time I was calling for it. I see myself in so many places. Most of the time I see myself in Haiti. Because Haiti is like the country that take independence. It's the first black country that take independence. But at the same time, it's been captured. And it's been captured to that. It's like Jesus put me to work through, go through the things to be in that country, but I cannot go. The only thing I can do is speak to them through the internet, make them see me, for those who see me and all that type of thing. But I have more to come for you guys. I have more to come. There's more. If I'm talking to you there, I could take the whole day and talking. Right now it's almost 1:20 a.m. Eastern time. So I have more to come. When I'm going through, when I'm talking to myself and all this stuff, those days I'm like, man, if I'm seeing all those things, I'm sure it's not only for me. The story gotta be told. I have to tell this. I have to tell it. I have to let people know about it. So stay tuned. There's more to come.